Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. So in this video we are going to discuss Leetcode problem of the day, and today's problem is group anagrams, and it is a medium level problem. So it's a very old problem. As you can see by the problem number, it's only the 49th problem on the platform, and we can solve this problem in a very interesting and easy manner by using a very popular data structure. Right. So what is an anagram first? Let us discuss that. So anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. Right. So that basically means that all the letters that you have in one particular word should be exactly in the same frequency in the other word. So as you can see, nat and tan are anagrams of each other. How? N is present one time here, A is present one time here, and T is present one time here. Similarly, N, A and T are present exactly one time here. So ATE, 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 in all the three words, ATE were the common characters, and the frequency of all the characters in each of them were exactly the same. Now I don't need to explain you this particular solution, but a very simple method of solving this problem will be to create a map. What will be the first type of the map? Instead of using any simple data type, we are just going to use a vector of integers, and the second one will be the vector of string. So what is with this particular vector of integers? What we can try to do is we can create a frequency vector of size 26, and for each of the words inside this particular string array, what I'm going to do, I'm going to increment the frequency of this current string. So basically I'm finding out what are the characters present in the current string and incrementing their frequency. Now these three words will have the exact same frequency vector, right, or the f vector that I have created here, because A will be present one time, T will be present one time, and E will be present one time in each of them, right? So their f vector will look exactly the same. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to push back the current string inside this group of f. So group was my map. The first part was a vector of integers, so that is exactly what f is, and I'm going to push back a new string because the second part is a vector of strings. So basically my map will contain all the different groups. The size of the group map will be the number of different anagram groups, right? So now what I can do is I can just traverse to the group, and for each group I'm going to push back the vector or the all the strings that are associated with that group into my answer. Right. So basically, let me go through you this particular part again. I've created a map of vector of integers and a vector of strings. This is the key value pair that I am storing. Now the key is denoting the frequency of all the characters in that particular group, right? And the second part is denoting the vector of string of all the different strings that are present in that particular specific group. Now for each of the strings, I'm just going to count the frequency of characters in that one, and I'm going to push back this particular string in that particular group F. Now I'm just going through all the different groups inside my group map, and I'm going to push back all the strings. So I dot second is the vector of strings into my answer vector, and this would be the final solution. Since the problem does not require you to sort in any order, you can return the answer in any order, so there is no further modification required. Now I can just quickly submit this and show you that this particular code works and this solution is absolutely correct. So you see this passes all the test cases, and what you can do is you can implement the same functionality in any language of your choice. I believe hash maps are supported in almost any language. And this was it for this particular video. I hope that you guys were able to understand the solution. If you guys did, then consider dropping a like on this video, and don't forget to share thoughts in the comments, because your engagement with this video really helps the YouTube algorithm to understand that this video is actually helpful for you, and if you are able to reach much more people like you who want to keep solving new problems. So that is it for today. Till the next video drops, keep coding, stay safe, bye bye.